Hi, quick and honest review of this Shark vacuum. The cord is pretty long on this vacuum, which I really appreciate. I have owned for about 5 years now, and it still seems to work just as well as when I got it. I do have a pet that sheds a lot, and it really picks up a lot of the hair. It is pretty lightweight, so I do also use it to clean my stairs. The filter is easy to remove and clean, and the dirt container is large and it holds a lot. It is also easy to clip out, and it can empty from the top or the bottom of the container. Super impressed by how the quality of this vacuum has held up over the years that I've owned it.